Hello there. A cooler than usual November Monday for the southern and central parts of the country. 15 degrees was the common high from Gisborne down to Rotorua and Wanganui, just 12 in the capital, while the peak temperature was 22 recorded up there in the Bay of Islands. South of the Strait and Christchurch and Timaru notched up the warmest highs with 16 degrees. Quite a few 15s there too, from Blenheim down to Dunedin. 11 degrees was the lowest for Invercargill and up in Kaikoura. Now, we had a southwest airflow over the country today, and that brought some cloud to the southern and northern tips of the country. This spiralling massive cloud in the West Tasman has more to do with a low centre near Melbourne. Could make for a wet track at Flemington tomorrow. But on our side of the ditch, there's a rather promising ridge of high pressure insinuating itself over the Tasman Sea, and by tomorrow that should cover the whole country. The little low over Southland and Otago suggests a wee drop in pressure, but nothing to be concerned about, because I have it on very good authority, and I know this is dangerous prediction to make, but there's no rain forecast for the entire country tomorrow. The only thing we should be awash with is pink, which means rain is highly unlikely. There could be some frost, however, for inland districts. 16 degrees is the high expected for Wanganui, while Whangarei up in Northland is looking for 20 degrees, 18 or 19 degrees for most other centres. And the South Island recovers well from morning frosts too. Most places rise above 15 degrees. Marlborough should clock up 19 degrees tomorrow, and apparently it needs more sunshine. Blenheim just recorded its wettest year ever. Now let's check out your regional forecasts. In the upper half of the mainland, the weather should be fine with light winds and the sun shines on into the afternoon. A high of 16 degrees on the west coast, coastal sea breezes. Overnight lows of 4 degrees for many places, some cloud about Fovo Strait through to Otago with southwest winds, fine elsewhere with light winds. Tonight's weather picture is another roadside attraction near Te Anau. It was taken by Elizabeth Wells of Christchurch. And now for the Alarak D pollen report. Pollen levels should be moderate to low in the North Island high country, while on the mainland the grasses are flowering in the top region down to North Canterbury, also over in Westland, so pollen levels should be moderate, low levels elsewhere. And looking ahead to Wednesday, continued fine weather, just a little cloud for Westland and rain possible in Fiordland. And that wet weather stays around on the South Island west coast, still fine elsewhere. Come Friday though, and it creeps northward with some cloudy skies elsewhere. And just before I go, a big thank you to all the people who sent me booties, socks and birthday cards for Hannah. You're all very sweet. You too, John.
Thank you very much for saving up for Christmas. Thank you, Rose. Welcome back. That's the way it was. Monday the 6th of November, join the Nightline team just before 10:30. I'm John Hawkesby. Good evening.